Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Open Google Chrome and search for Amazon affiliate program. Click on the link for Amazon.com Associates Central from the search results. Once on the Amazon Associates Central page, locate and click on the Sign Up button. Amazon will ask for 4 types of information: your primary Amazon.com account address, the main contact for this account, your website URL, your mobile app or Alexa skill URL. After entering the required information, click on Next to proceed. Answer whether any of your traffic sources are directed primarily at children under 13. Select yes or no accordingly. After confirming your traffic sources, click on Confirm. Enter your preferred associate store ID and provide information about the content you create. Choose the type of content you create and how you heard about Amazon Associates. Type the characters displayed in the image provided for verification purposes. Read and agree to the terms and conditions of the Amazon Associates program. Once you've agreed to the terms, click on Finish to complete the sign-up process. Upon completion, you will receive your unique associate ID. Optionally, you can enter your payment and tax information now by clicking on Now, or you can do it later by clicking on Later. After signing up, you'll be directed to the Amazon Associate Program dashboard. To get started, go to the Tools section and click on Site Stripe. Make sure the Site Stripe is enabled. You can then grab your affiliate links by clicking on the text option and copying your store ID. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.